Alright, welcome to another episode of Thesis Anything Goes. So today we will be unboxing and assembling a computer chair. Alright, I know a lot of people will call it gaming chair, but I prefer to call it a computer chair. Alright, so a brief history, I will show you what I am using right now. And what I'm going to be using after this. Alright, this was shipped from China to Malaysia. It took more than 22 days and the box looks beat up. It was delivered by a ninja. Yes, a ninja. So long story short, let's get to it. Okay, let's see what comes in the package. Oh. Here we have the the armrest and the armrest. Then we have all the other bits, the rollers, the gas strut, the base, the pillows, the base, and we have the cushions. Oh man. And the bottom cushion. And let's just toss this aside. Alright. Let's see what we need to assemble this. Okay, from the get-go it looks like all we need is Allen keys. It comes with one short one, so I won't be using this, I'll be using my own. Be right back. Okay, so right, I've already unpacked most of the things and was trying to figure out the screw because they gave additional 2 screws and the instruction is in Chinese. I may be Chinese, but I don't know Chinese. So let's get to it. How to assemble this pink seat. First off, the base. Alright, you will have this rollers, so no screws required, just push it in. Okay, once you have pushed it in, you have the base. Once you have the base, you have the absorber strut, whereby you just put it in. That's done. Next up, the base, the seat, where your butt sits. 4 screws. I'm going to use the short screws for this, and we will need to mount this plate on. Okay, now that this is done, so you have a hole over here. Alright, you will plug this inside here. Okay, so now you have a moving bench. Yay! Okay, next up, let's move this aside. Okay, so for this you have this T plate over here. Yeah, you have to put it in. I'm assuming like this. Alright, again, hex keys. Sorry, bolts with hex heads. Okay, once that's done, there's one hole over here at the bracket. You see this? Plug it in. Okay, we don't want to plug it in all the way first, because we might need to do some adjustment on the handle here later. So yeah. Okay, so to install the handle you just need to know which side is out, so yeah. And once we are done with that, it's time for the cushions. Now, I'm not too sure why there's a USB port for a cushion. I'll get back to you on that. Well, it's definitely more comfortable than my existing chair. Smooth. That's the lowest you can go. And hey, I'm not toppling. This actually feels good. Alright, I'll give you the summary of this seat shortly after this. Alright guys, as mentioned earlier, I'll give a summary about this chair. So sitting on it for the last 10 minutes, it seems to be quite comfortable as compared to this. So I'll be retiring this dining chair back to where it came from, which is the dining table. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the quality of this chair. Though there are certain parts that can be improved, mainly the instructions. While there's graphics, there's pictures there that's simple to understand, but it was a bit confusing when it comes to the screws, because they give extra 2 screws of 2 different sizes, and they didn't tell you which screw goes to where, so it was a trial and error before I actually started the video. And then the USB thing that is at the back here that I mentioned earlier, well, that's basically a massage function, whereby you just plug into a USB port and it just sort of just vibrates. Yeah, not much of a massage, but yeah, it's a good thing to have. Not a must to have, but a good thing to have. Overall, I'll give this chair a 7 out of 10. Given the price and the quality that we receive it, I won't complain much. Alright, I won't complain much. It's not the same quality as those branded ones. I'm not gonna mention names here. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. So from now on, you will most likely see me using this chair instead. And as to why this color, pink color, well, I like pink. That's it. That's the only reason I have. There were some other designs that I really like, but those originated in the United States, and it doesn't ship to Malaysia, though I would really love to have them. Yeah, there's black, there's blue, there's red, but I like pink and white. Alright, just a personal preference. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, hit the like. If you dislike, you know, just do this and leave a comment on how we can improve. Alright, and if you'd like to see more videos of this kind, hit subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified on future updates. Peace out, yo.